Welcome to Top Consumer Reviews, the channel where we break down the best products on the market and show you exactly why they're worth your money. If you've been searching for a pressure washer that's powerful, compact, and built to make your life easier, look no further than the Westinghouse EPX3500. This machine isn't just another electric washer, it's a high-performance cleaning solution that brings pro-level results right to your driveway, without the size or hassle of a gas unit. Let's start with the numbers. The EPX3500 delivers a powerful 2,500 psi at 1.76 gallons per minute. That's more than enough to blast through caked-on dirt, grease, mildew, and years of built-up grime. Whether it's your driveway, fence, siding, patio, or car, this washer is built to tackle it all and make it look easy. What really sets the EPX3500 apart is its intuitive, user-friendly design. It weighs just 19 pounds and stands just over 16 inches tall, making it incredibly easy to store, carry, and move around. Thanks to its anti-tipping four-wheel steering, it glides smoothly across any surface without falling over or needing to be dragged around. Every detail from setup to switching nozzles feels streamlined and effortless, even for first-time users. You're also getting 5 quick connect nozzles, including 15, 25, a turbo nozzle for concentrated power, and a soap nozzle for those thick, satisfying suds. That kind of flexibility means you can switch from delicate wood to heavy concrete in seconds, all with pro-level control. And yes, there's an onboard soap tank, so you're ready to foam up and rinse down with one machine. Another standout feature, the Total Stop System, or TS's. This automatically cuts the motor when you release the trigger, saving energy and extending the life of your pump. No wasted power, no unnecessary wear, just efficient, smart operation every time you use it. And let's talk reach. With a 25-foot high-pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord with built-in GFEI protection, you've got all the distance you need for large jobs without constantly moving the unit or worrying about safety. So who is this pressure washer for? It's for homeowners who want that fresh, just cleaned look without hiring someone to do it. It's for car lovers who want showroom shine without driving to a detailer. And it's for anyone who's tired of scrubbing by hand, only to get halfway decent results. The Westinghouse EPX3500 is fast, effective, and exceptionally easy to use, and that's why it stands out. You're not just buying a pressure washer, you're buying back your time, your weekends, and your peace of mind. So if you're ready to make your home, car, or outdoor space look brand new again, check out the link in the description and grab yours today. This is Top Consumer Reviews. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more real talk on products that make your life better. See you in the next one.